Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to withdraw funds from Cash App. So if you got a Cash App account, you want to withdraw your funds, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do is you can use the Cash App mobile app to do that. And the first thing you want to do there is to open the Cash App and log into your accounts, and then tap the balance on the home screen, then tap Cash Out. Select the amount you want to withdraw, then choose your withdrawal method. You could use standard deposit, instant deposit. Just note that the standard deposit might take between 1 to 3 business days, whereas the instant deposit is instant, but you gotta pay a small fee. So whichever one you're going for, and after once you're done, you gotta confirm the withdrawal details, and that's it. Pretty much done. For the second method, you can use the Cash App website. Now the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and log into your Cash App account on the website. Click on the balance tab, then click Cash Out, then select the amount you want to withdraw and choose your withdrawal method. Same as before, standard deposit, instant deposit, whichever one you want to use, and of course confirm the withdrawal details, and that's pretty much it. Now there are some requirements to doing this, and the first is you must have a verified account. All right, your account has got to be verified before you be able to withdraw. Also, you gotta have available funds. I mean, obviously, what are you taking out if you got nothing there? So you gotta have available funds, and of course you have to link bank accounts. You have to ensure that you have a linked bank account or a debit card, so you'll be able to withdraw your money there. Now you gotta note, as I said before, standard deposit is free, but it could take between 1 to 3 business days, whereas the instant deposit is free, but you're gonna have to pay a small fee, so between 1.5% of the withdrawal amount. So the higher it is, the more money you're gonna pay. Lower it is, you get that, right? So ATM withdrawals, fees apply, typically between $2 to $3 per withdrawal, but that's up to you. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. That's it for the video, guys. I'll catch you next one. Peace.